Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's question is we have to identify the correct pair in which both the complex ions show ground state electronic degeneracy. So we have been given two pairs of complexes in each options, okay? And here we have to show that in which of these options both these complexes have a ground state electronic degeneracy. Now, first of all, the meaning of ground state electronic degeneracy. So, in octahedral complexes, so as you can see, we have the complexes where the central metal atom is coordinated to 6 ligands in each case, and we have the coordination number 6. So, all are octahedral complexes that have been given as options. So, basically, in octahedral complexes, what is the meaning of ground state electronic degeneracy? So, this ground state electronic degeneracy in octahedral complexes occurs when either the T2G or EG orbitals are unsymmetrically filled. Okay, so when any of these T2G or EG orbitals are unsymmetrically filled, then we have a condition called the ground state electronic degeneracy. And if these T2G or EG are symmetrically filled, that does not show electronic degeneracy, and those are called non-degenerate if T2G or EG orbitals are symmetrically filled. And in order to answer this question, we have to write the electronic configuration of these central metal atoms, central metal ions in their given oxidation states. So first of all, let us see what all options we have. In A, we have TiF6 2-. So titanium, we can, if you have a good practice, you can directly find out their oxidation states. So 6-2, titanium is +4 in option A. And also we have titanium H2O. So for F6 2-, we have +4 oxidation state for titanium. But in TiH2O whole 6 2+, we have titanium in the +2 oxidation state. Okay, then in option B, we have iron FeCN whole 6 4-. So iron is in the 6-4, that is +2 oxidation state. And manganese 6-3, manganese is in the +3 oxidation state in option B. Then let's go to option C. Option C, we have titanium again in the +2 oxidation state and manganese again in the +3 oxidation state. Then in option D, we have iron in the 6-4 +2 oxidation state and titanium 6-2 +4 oxidation state. Okay, so let's try to write their electronic arrangement in the T2G and EG orbitals. So titanium in the ground state is 3d24s2 and 3d24s2, and in the +4 oxidation state we can see that both these electrons should be gone and it should have 3d0. So the d orbitals are completely empty. Now in the +2 oxidation state it should have 3d24s0. So in titanium +4, since the d orbitals are completely empty, so there is no question of degeneracy. So this option should be eliminated from our answers because of the titanium +4 oxidation state with empty d orbital. Now for Fe+2. So for Fe we know that we have 3d6 4s2 and in the +2 oxidation state it will be 3d6 4s0, right? Okay, and Mn+3, manganese we have 3d5 4s2 and in the +3 oxidation state manganese will be 3d4 4s0. Now in option B you can see that iron is linked to Cn, cyano, which is a very strong field ligand. So when we arrange these electrons in the T2G and EG orbitals, in case of FeCN6, these will be low spin complex. All the 6 electrons will be accommodated in the T2G orbital itself and EG will be empty. T2G is completely filled, so there is no question of degeneracy in FeCN whole 6 4- because it is connected to a strong field ligand and D6 configuration, all the electrons will be paired and symmetrically filled, so no degeneracy here. Then for Mn+3, manganese, in manganese we have D4 configuration. So D4 configuration with strong field ligand. So first singly filled T2G orbital and then pairing with one of the T2G electrons. So we have this T2G4 T2G4 configuration, and this one is unsymmetrically filled for the MnCN6 3-. So degeneracy occurs here, but since the degeneracy does not happen in both of these complexes, so this option is also eliminated. So in Fe it does not happen. Here in TiF6 2- it does not happen, and in MnCN6 3- degeneracy is there. Titanium in the +2 oxidation state also we can show degeneracy because the T2G orbital is unsymmetrically filled with 2 electrons only, 2 unpaired electrons. Okay, so titanium +2 also shows electronic degeneracy. Now in option C we have titanium H2O2+, which will show, we have seen this, it will show electronic degeneracy. MnCN6 3- we just saw, this will also show electronic degeneracy because Mn is in the +3 oxidation state with a T2G4 electronic configuration. T2G4 here, which is unsymmetrically filled T2G, and here also it will be for titanium +2 T2G2. Again an unsymmetrically filled T2G. Now what about option D, FeCN6 4-. So in option B also we saw FeCN6 4- does not show electronic degeneracy. TiF6 2- in option A also we saw that it does not show electronic degeneracy. So overall option C has two complexes, titanium H2O2+ and MnCN6 3-. Both of these show electronic degeneracy because titanium has T2G2 electronic configuration, which is unsymmetrically filled T2G orbital, and Mn+3 shows T2G4 electronic configuration, which has unsymmetrically filled T2G orbital with a strong field ligand. Okay, so option C should be our correct answer for this question, where both the complexes TiH2O6 2+ and MnCN6 3-, both of these show an unsymmetrical filling of T2G, and thus it shows electronic degeneracy. So option C should be our correct answer to this question. So I hope you understood the explanation of this problem. We have to know the valence electronic configuration and how we can arrange these electrons of the central metal ion in their respective T2G and Eg orbitals, and check whether these are unsymmetrically or symmetrically filled. If they are unsymmetrically filled, then we have electronic degeneracy in those complexes. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you find my videos helpful. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and see you soon with the next problem. Thank you so much.